Assalamu alaikum friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Sikandar Kori. So let's start our topic. Today in this video we are going to talk about law of independent assortment. So to understand this law we first have to study the inheritance of two traits. So these were the experiments that were performed by Mendel and in which he followed the transmission of two traits. These experiments are also known as dihybrid cross because this is a cross between two individuals that differ in two traits such as color of the seed and shape of the seed. And the ratio that we obtain in these experiments are called dihybrid ratio. And now we are going to cross two plants such as male plant that produce yellow round seed and a female plant that produce green wrinkled seed. And the genotype of these plants are so during gamete formation each gamete will receive single allele for each trait. So each gamete will receive single allele for each trait, and on cross pollination of these plants they give rise to the plants that will form the F1 generation. And in this generation all plants will produce yellow round seeds. And the genotype of this plant is capital Y, capital R, small r. And on self-pollination of these F1 generation plants, they will give rise to the plants that will make F2 generation. So we have male gametes of F1 generation and we have female gametes of F1 generation plants. And these are the possible zygotes that are formed by the combination of gametes of the F1 generation. So overall, total 16 possible zygotes will be formed by the combination of these F1 generation gametes. So in this F2 generation, we have 9 plants that produce yellow round seed and 3 plants with yellow wrinkled seed, 3 plants that will produce green round seed and 1 plant that will produce green wrinkled seed. So the phenotypic ratio of the dihybrid cross in F2 generation is 9 ratio 3 ratio 3 ratio 1. In this F2 generation plants, we have two plant varieties that are identical to parent plant, and two new phenotypes appeared in this F2 generation plants. Due to the appearance of new phenotype in F2 generation, what we learn is that parental combination of pair of factors or alleles did not stay together, but the alleles for each gene segregated. And this segregation leads to the appearance of new phenotypes in F2 generation such as yellow wrinkled seed and green round seed. So now what is law of independent assortment? Law of independent assortment simply says that the members of one pair of genes segregated independently of any other pair, meaning that the dominant allele for One trait, such as color of the seed, does not necessarily be transmitted with the dominant allele for other traits such as shape of the seed. So Mendel stated when parents differ from each other in two or more pairs of contrasting characters or factors, then the inheritance of one pair of factor is independent to that of other pair of factors. So this is all about our today's topic. Thank you for watching our video, and please like, share and subscribe to our channel.